Hi everyone. All right, so are you guys ready to crush that muffin top? Today we're gonna do all body weight. I don't even have shoes on, just to prove to you guys that it doesn't take much to really crush that muffin top. You know that muffin top that we all are trying to get rid of. When you put on your pants and you have that spillover, we always are trying to battle those areas, and this is a great way to tone that midsection. Now, keep in mind, of course, as you guys know, diet is very important in 90% of our game, but we need to work the muscles so that you can tone and tighten while you're also working on that 90%, which is the diet. So this is really going to target that midsection and really hit the muffin top. All right, so are you guys ready? Let's take it down to the ground. So I've got a mat here, like I said, only body weight today. So I want you to start on all fours here. The first thing I want you to do is really engage and focus on what we're working, which is the core. So starting here, I want you to hold and suck in that tummy, round out your back, and just really connect here to your midsection. So feel that nice pull here in the tummy, those lower abs, and then release, lifting that chest. And then suck in that tummy, rounding out that back. We're gonna get 5 of these, and release. Rounding out, suck in that midsection, tummy's in tight, and release that chest. Suck it in, round that back, really suck it in. Deep breath and release. Last one. This is really just to help you engage and put that mind in that midsection, in that muffin top. Deep breath and release. Tabletop position. Now pop up onto those toes. So here we go. You guys ready to start working it? Okay, so now we're here in this plank position. So the entire body is tight. As you guys know, I love the plank because it works the whole body. So hold it in here for 3, 2, and 1. Bring that left knee in towards your left elbow. We're gonna get 10 of these just to the left side. Here's 1. Suck in that tummy. Remember that muffin, okay? Visualize that muffin top and what we're really trying to blast. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right into that other side. Engage that core to the right. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Dropping down to those knees and down into a cat stretch. Couple nice deep breaths before we meet back in the top of that plank. Stretch it out, bring those arms out so you feel a nice stretch in that upper body, lower back stretch. Coming back up to tabletop, popping up on those toes. Here we go, we're gonna bring that left leg out to touch. So we're gonna bring that left leg out, point that toe and in, just the left side for 10, 9, don't let that tummy dip, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping down to those knees, back into that cat stretch. So we don't want to overdo things. You always want to make sure that you re-engage yourself, reset your brain, reset your mind, reset that midsection. Otherwise, when you're too tired, your lower back is going to get engaged and you're really not going to be working that muffin top, which is what we're after today. So back up on those toes. Here we go, right side now. Bring that right leg out to touch and in. And 2, and 3, keep the tummy in tight. 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Bring it in, hold that plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop to those knees. Bring yourself around for a few more exercises. So, starting here with your feet on the mat, I want you to hold here in this nice bow position. So this is the first layer. If you're more advanced, we can pop up those feet and balance here. But let's just start by really engaging that core and holding this. Pull your shoulders back. So you really want that tummy to be engaged. Shoulders are back. So you're not rounded like this. You want those shoulders pulled back. Chest is lifted. Holding here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up, holding those knees to reset yourself. Couple breaths. Falling back into that boat. Now this time, lifting up those feet. So let's see if you can hover those feet up over that mat. Let's hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping those feet, grabbing those knees, coming in, bringing that chest in towards your knees. Couple deep breaths. And back into that boat. This time we're gonna tap. So lift those feet up off the mat. So I'm really testing your balance here, engaging that core. We're gonna tap right. 2, this is a very small movement. 3, you can see what I'm doing. I'm actually lifting those toes and I'm just tapping the right foot. Okay, so we're just tapping. This is just gonna get, just to get that balance and just to give you that little bit of that extra help as we're really focusing on keeping that core balanced. So keep it tapping here on the right hand side. Seems so minor, but we're really focusing on that core. Tap that right foot down. This is gonna help you also to eventually, when we hold that boat pose and hold those legs out in front of you. Last tap, 3 on the right, 2 on the right, and 1. Bring those knees into chest. Give yourself a nice hug. Back into that boat, all right? So lifting those legs up, we're gonna tap that right leg to the ground. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet to the ground, hug those knees in towards your chest. Coming back, I'm gonna face the side again. What we're gonna do is some shuffles here. So I want you to hold back into that boat position. Your heels are on the mat, so they're not lifted. We're gonna shuffle to the left, shuffle to the right, shuffle to the left, shuffle to the right. So it's like you're pulling something on either side. So let's shuffle. We're gonna get 10. You ready? Here we go. Left, right, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, and 10. Bring those knees into your chest. I know that tummy's burning. One last final exercise to blast that muffin top. So coming in to the top of that plank position, holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Moving into a side plank. Here's what we're gonna do. So you've got a full linear line here. You're up on your one arm, your other arm, your right arm here is up on those hips. We're gonna tap those hips down towards the ground and we're gonna come up and squeeze those obliques. So we're gonna get 10 of these, okay? So hip taps. Tap that hip down to the mat, come up, squeeze that midsection. Here we go for 10. So tap, 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap, 5, tap, 6, tap, 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Squeeze and hold and release. Now keep in mind, if you're a beginner or those are feeling a little challenging for you, you can always drop to that forearm and just get some baby taps like this, even having that leg bent behind you. So this is more of a beginner or even just a lighter variation if you're just not totally feeling it. So having that foot grounded to the mat on that forearm and just doing taps this way, really pushing up those hips at the same time, squeezing those obliques. Now, moving into the other side, try to do the same variation that you just did. So I was up on one arm, left leg, up on my right leg, nice and straight linear line. We're gonna come down and tap. Here's 1, down, 2, down, 3, tap, 4, tap, 5, tap, 6, down, 7, tap, 8, squeeze, 9, and 10, hold, 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to that top of the plank position, we're almost done here. Hold it tight. Release that left leg up towards the sky and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Reset yourself. Drop those knees down. Nice cat stretch. Last 10 seconds. So hit it hard, strong. Focus on that muffin top. Focus on that midsection, which is what we're working. So if your mind is in your back, your mind is in your glutes, your mind is in your legs, take it out of there and put it back in the midsection. visualize that muffin top disappearing with every rep. Here we go. Up on that plank, lifting that right leg up, point that toe. Let's hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop that heel, that toe, drop back into those heels for a nice downward dog, and let's stretch out the back of the legs. Hold in that lower abs, though. Don't let those abs relax. Hold them in. So push back in those heels, hold in those lower abs, and take a couple nice deep breaths. Awesome job today, you guys. So those are some great exercises to really tackle that midsection, blast that muffin top. So again, don't forget, you can do this routine all day, every day, and it's not gonna change the body composition. What you really need to do is focus on that 90%, which is diet. So make sure that you're making smart choices today, following one of our plans, and focusing just as much on your workouts as you are on your diet and vice versa. But you cannot out-train a bad diet. So don't forget that. Doesn't matter how many crunches you do, how many side twists, how many plank holds, doesn't matter. As long as your diet is not where it needs to be, you're not going to get the results you want. So if you really want to banish that muffin top, you need to get the diet in check, and then let's talk about workouts. All right, so don't forget, 90% diet, 10% hitting it hard with our workouts every single day. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Have a great day.